Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Charger SE all-wheel drive, stock number E1586A, 42,000 miles, and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone climate control, as well as compass display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification. Protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.